I'm Call Me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Do you want to draw a beautiful human face? A lot of people want to draw a face, but sometimes they draw the faces look like this. Oh my god, this is so terrible. So today I'm gonna show you how to draw a human face. Of course, you have to know the proportion of a human head, and even you have to know the proportion of facial features so that you can draw a beautiful human face. And you have to finish this video because in the end I will give you a bonus so that you can easily to draw a beautiful human face. If it is the first time you watch my video, I have to tell you my channel is talking about anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like to draw, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you can get a reminder and you can get the knowledge, the conception, the skills and techniques of drawing. Okay, after you subscribe my channel, let's talk how to draw the human face. Okay, now I want to draw the realistic adult face proportion to you. We draw a circle first, and we can draw a cross, middle this circle. And this horizontal line is top. Here we divide it into 3 equal parts. The up 1/3 is our hairline. And here we divided it into 3 equal parts also. The horizontal line of this cross is brown. The bottom 1/3 is nose. And now we can add another 1/3 under the circle. And here is the chin. The entire height is the leg of the face. Under the brown just a little is our eyes. Okay, this position is the height of facial features. Okay, the next is we divide the horizontal line into 6 equal parts. The middle 4/6 would be the face width. Okay, now I draw the face outline first. And the hairline. And now we can see the face almost there. And here we draw the ears. The position of height of ears is brown to nose. After the ears, we can draw the hair. In here, what the hairstyle you want to draw is okay, it's up to you. I just draw a handsome hairstyle in here. Okay, now we can draw the brown. And sometimes, some people brow is so long, so in here I draw the long brows. And the next is nose, because the position of nose is so easy to draw. And now I want to draw the eyes. And today I draw small eyes. Because usually realistic eyes is not big like anime drawing. So in here I draw the eyes are small. And if you want to draw a cool boy or a cool man, you better draw the eyes as small. It will make the character look so handsome. And if you draw big eyes, you will make the character look so cute. So it's different expression. Next, in here, the outline of the circle is the bottom of lips. So of course, you have to draw the mouth upper lip. So you can see I draw the mouth in here. Actually, the position of mouth is the up 1/3 between nose and chin.
Okay, now we finish the face. Have you get it?
Okay, now you know the proportion of human face. But if I give you a piece of paper, do you think you can draw a beautiful human face? It is still so hard, right? But it is okay. Just like what I said before, I will give you a bonus. Is this auxiliary lines of human face? This is the Chinese version, but I will give you the English version. And now I will tell you how to draw a human face with this step by step. So let's continue to draw human face with it.
Now you can see these auxiliary lines of head proportion. I already locate facial features on this paper. So after you print it out, you can correspond to the position of each facial feature and draw the face on it. If you don't know how to draw it, it is okay. Now I will demonstrate how I use this to draw a human face. Don't worry, don't be panic. Just draw it with me. In here, I draw face outline first. And I want to share to you, actually, the proportion of human face is just a average value. It is not absolute answer. You can change the proportion according to your needs when you are drawing, or create another characters. The function of this proportion is mainly to help the cuties who want to learn to draw can quickly understand the structure of facial features and help you draw people's face more beautiful or more handsome. And please don't measure your friend's face with these proportions. It's just like, oh my god, your head is so long, or your face is too big. Like this, please don't do that, because it is not right. And please don't measure others' painting with this proportion also, because everyone has their freedom or choice to choose what they want to draw, and they have their freedom to draw a picture with any kind of proportions. So just respect others. And there is no right or wrong in creation. And of course, there is no absolute answer in creation also. So you just enjoy learning the knowledge and practice all the time. You will make great progress in painting. And this auxiliary line of head proportion file is under the video description, so you can download it and print it out and practice all the time. It will help you. So just enjoy it.
Congratulations! Now you know how to draw a human face. It is so good, right? But some of cutie will ask me like, okay, now I know how to draw a real human face, but I still want to know how to draw a cute or anime human face. It is okay, I will tell you how to do it in my next video. So you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that you will get a reminder if my next video released. Of course, if you think my video is really useful to you, you have to share this video to your friends who want to learn to draw and give me a thumb up. And if you have any question, of course, just comment below, let me know, and maybe one day I will make a video to reply your good questions. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life, and I hope you can bring your color to others' life.